Hi, everyone. Hope you're enjoying your day so far. Um, let's get ready to finish our first letter to our teachers. The first thing I need you to do is get your writing folder. If you have it in your folder, if you have it in your backpack, what I need you to take out and your first draft. So if you have to, pause the video, get your pencil, get all of your papers, and we'll get started. All right, everyone. So we are on day 4 of our writing letters, and we planned with our web. We wrote our first draft on Tuesday. Yesterday, we edited and we added a sentence, and some of you might have added some punctuation or made some corrections to some of your spelling. So today is our publishing day. What that means is we read aloud what we have, and then we can get started on our illustration. And then we get to publish, which means you get to send it to your teacher. So, I'm going to read mine out loud to you, and then I'll tell you your next direction. So here's my letter. Dear Miss Giamarino, hi, how are you? Remember, I'm asking questions, so that's why it has a question mark. I miss you so much. I saw you on YouTube. I want to make my own video. Please write back. Love, Miss Giamarino. So I edited. I think my letter looks great. What I want you to do now is pause your video, reread, that means read again, your writing to make sure that everything is all set. You have all the punctuation correctly, you have all your words spelled correctly, and that your writing piece is ready to publish. Good job, everyone. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Some of you might have space on the bottom. Some of you might not have space on the bottom for our illustration. So I don't have space on the bottom because I wrote a long letter. So I want my illustration, I want my teacher to be able to see my illustration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my paper over to the back so that it's a blank piece of paper. So on the back, I am going to draw my illustration. So if you have space on your letter, you can draw your picture, your illustration on the same side as your words, or you can flip it over like I did and get started on your illustration. Remember that we always do our illustration in pencil first. That way, if we make a mistake, we can erase it. So I'm going to pause my video. I want you guys to pause your video, and I want you to think about what you wrote in your letter so that it matches with your illustration. Because remember, we learned a really long time ago that pictures go with the words that are in the story or in the letter or in the book. So you want to make sure if you what you're writing, what you're drawing about has to do with your writing. So I think that I might draw myself watching YouTube since that's what I wrote about. So when I'm done, we will come back. When you're done, you can come back and we'll talk about our pictures. I hope that you spent a really long time on your illustration. I know I only paused the video and then we unpaused it and we're back, but it took me a long time I told you guys I'm trying really hard with my illustrations. So here's my illustration. Here is me sitting at my desk and I'm watching the teacher on YouTube. So YouTube and the teacher saying heart words, and then I'm saying, I love to practice my heart words. And then here's my work on the table. So once you're finished with your illustration, what I want you to do is read it to someone at home. Show them your illustration, show them your picture, tell them that you're publishing your work and that it's now time to send it to your teacher. Not only to show them what a great job you did with your writing and your illustration, but also to show them that you miss them. I know, especially for me, I miss my class and I miss all of you guys so much. But I know Miss Crawford, Miss Zolette, and Miss Chrisman are going to love seeing the letters from you guys because they miss you so much and it's a surprise. I didn't tell them that this is what we were writing about. So when you send them all of your letters in either an email or on Seesaw or your parents can text it to us, it's going to make us all smile and be very happy. So super proud of you guys. Tomorrow we're going to do a fun little writing activity. And if you can, send me your writing too, because I would love to see your final writing pieces, the letters that you're writing to your teachers. Great job today. Actually, great job all week with your letters. Um, I'm very proud of you, and I will see you all tomorrow.